Victor needs fixing. Sit tight, Terrence, says Victor, the manager of Sodor Steamworks.
Hello, I'm Victor.
We'll have you fixed in no time. Victor, Kevin,
Hello, I'm Kevin.
and the rest of the Sodor Steamworks crew quickly reattach Terrence's bulldozer blade. It feels just like new, says Terrence. Thanks. Suddenly a loud noise causes Victor to stop in his tracks. I've broken a wheel, Victor cries. Don't worry, Victor, says Kevin.
Hello, I'm Kevin.
Broken wheels are easy to fix. But Victor is worried. He's never been repaired before. I'll be okay without a repair, Victor promises.
Hello, I'm Victor.
Later that day, Bertie wobbles into the Sodor Steamworks with a flat tire. Victor clunks forward to help, but by the time he's in position, Kevin is already fixed. Bertie's flat. You're next, Kevin says to Victor.
Hello, I'm Kevin.
He and the crew get to work. Is it going to hurt? Victor asks. Not at all, says Kevin. In fact, you're all set. The next day, Rosie
Hello, I'm Rosie.
arrives with a broken coupling hook. She looks nervous. Victor rolls up to her. His new wheel feels great. Trust me, Rosie, Victor says. There's nothing to worry about.